fan, you recognize that little lick there, Old Man, one of his earlier tunes. And I wanted to show you guys how I do it on acoustic guitar. One of the interesting things about it is in the key of D, that F he hits, which is really just like a D chord, but moving up 1, 2, 3 to the 5th fret, and then open up that E string, and you can get this sound. You can lead off with that D string. That's the pattern I'm hitting. Sorry. And back to a D. I'm doing the second finger hammer on the second fret of the high E. James Taylor move that. And then back up to that F. To D, F, C, G. F, C, G to D. And that's basically the chords in the song. They change up a little bit in the course of the arrangement, but I wanted to give you just a sort of a basic, kind of, outline of how the song goes and what you can do to make it your own. I tend to, with this kind of stuff, that means obviously an iconic tune. Playing it exactly per the record is okay, but I would always say learn it first. I always say learn it first and then improvise as you like over that. But I tend to do things, with whatever works for me, whether it's a key or a arrangement. So again, this is it is an acoustic number. So, and I love the chords. So I really like that F. You got an E, a D, sorry, and then an E, and then F. So in essence, that's that big F chord, but you don't have to bother with that. It's like a C form, right? But all you have to worry about is hitting that open D string and hitting this here, the 5th and the 6th fret, respectively. First finger on the G string, second finger on the B string, right there. Just like you're making a D chord, but up here. And if you get that open D in there, it really sounds cool. Love that sound. And then just back to it resolves. And you've heard that if you're, James Taylor or a Neil fan. Little hammer on. Of each verse it goes F, C, G, then D, F, and then a quick C. One more time, this is the end of each verse. F, C, G, then it goes to D. F that won't get tossed. And then it does a little accent. Rolling home, C to G. Rolling home to you. That's like a C, C, G, right? 7th there, right? Which is this, different version of that. So the chorus again is D, and the C, G. That's what you play there. Sing as you like, but take a look at my life. In there, right? So that's basically the bones of Old Man. That's your basic outline of that song, and you know, make of it what you will in terms of playing it acoustically, because I always encourage everybody to, you know, put your own spin on it if you can. Do what works for you, but I also agree that it's important to learn the original first, right? Okay, well, it's a beautiful day here on Maui. We got a little bit of wind, a little bit of sun, and good to see y'all. If you want to hit me up at jimmydillon.com/free, we got some fun stuff for you there, and I'd love to hear your comments as well. If you got any ideas for songs or what you think of the lessons, I'm always open to it. All right, we'll see you down the road.